Good morning, Jonathan. Hello, you are Carlos, Ricardo, and Chris. Welcome to Breaking News. Let's begin with the international news.
International news. A big storm was reported in Japan last night. My house were dangerous by strong winds. Sport news. The World Cup was won by Argentina in 2022. A new stadium is built in Spain.
A new song with Shakira was released last week. Many tickets for his concert are sold online. The movie Kung Fu Panda 4 is watching by many people. A new season of Stranger Things was announced yesterday.
Technology news. New phones of matter over years. A space hub how downlink 1 mile on time.
The spelling, the spelling contest was won by Joan Perez. New books are given to the students this week.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching Breaking News. See you next time.